Hello, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. In this video, we will take a tour of the marketplace and the shopping cart. At Quiltster.com, most of our website is available to the public. The only portion of the website that you need to have a subscription for is the Quilt Planner. Click on Quilt Planner to see the subscription prices and the membership benefits, including a video showing you how to color pre-designed patterns in the Quilt Planner. You can view the entire pattern library and the entire fabric stash, which contains more products than what's available in the marketplace, which you're about to see, and other features that you get, including yardage chart, etc., when you subscribe. But today let's focus on the marketplace. Again, you do not need a subscription or an account to view or shop in the marketplace. This is open to everyone. It's also important to note that everything that is for sale in our marketplace is fulfilled by our trusted Quilt Shop partners across the country. This means that when you shop for Quilt Kits, Quilt Patterns, or Fabric by the Yard through the marketplace, you are actually purchasing through these shops and supporting these shops. And when we support quilt shops, we are supporting our community as a whole. So let's take a look at Quilt Kits. Each section in the marketplace can be sorted by most recently added items, by price, or alphabetically. They also have filters on the left-hand side, so you can look at items that are on sale. You can filter by Quilt Shop if you want to shop with a specific shop. You can sort by designers, patterns, collections, or size. Let's go ahead and filter for a quilt shop so I can show you what that looks like. And let's look at So Many Things Sewing Center. Once a shop is selected, you'll be able to see the tag at the top. But underneath every item is also a sold by note, so you can always see who is fulfilling that product for you. Okay, and let's go ahead and add this to our cart. Now, a lot of kits you'll always be able to see the price, how many are left in stock, who is selling that, and all the kit details. You will also have variations depending on what that quilt shop has available for this kit. So this kit is offered as a fabric-only kit for this price, or you can toggle over to kit with pattern if you need the pattern as well, and you can get it for this price and add it to your cart. At the bottom of the page, there are some share tools. If you think that somebody else might like this kit, you can click on the Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, or just a plain link, and then share that with them. Let's use this little breadcrumb menu to go back to the marketplace. And let's go to Patterns. Under Quilt Patterns, again, you can sort it here at the top, or you can use the filters on the side. Or you can just flip from page to page, look at everything that's available. Under Patterns, you have a couple different filtering options on the side. Under Types, you can search for QuiltWorks strip set compatible patterns, and this will bring up all of the patterns that are available for sale that are compatible with a QuiltWorks strip set fabric. Let's clear out that tag by clicking on this little X at the top. And you can also filter for downloadable patterns. Any patterns that are downloadable once purchased are immediately available in your account. Or printed patterns, which is basically a pattern that will ship to you in the mail. Okay? So you can sort by that. Let's go ahead and sort for quilt shops though. And let's look at QuiltWorks. And this means these are all the patterns that if you purchase from QuiltWorks, they are the ones who will be shipping it to you. Let's look at Egyptian Lotus. And again, you have all the information, the pricing, the pattern information. We can add that to our cart, which I'm going to do. And now I have 2 items in my shopping cart. I can share this pattern on Facebook. I can copy this link and paste it in an email to share with somebody who might enjoy this pattern. Or I can create my own kit. So this is also unique to the pattern pages, which is I can click Customize, and if I have a subscription, I can log in here, and that would be a subscription to the Quilt Planner. If I do not have a subscription, I can become a member here, click this, and it will take me to the Quilt Planner page where I can sign up and become a member. If I do not want to do either of those, I can just click anywhere outside of that. And what that allows you to do is to utilize this pattern and add your own fabric colors to it to create your own colorway. And underneath that, we show you examples of what other members have done with this pattern. So this member, Nancy, is a Quilt Planner subscriber, and she colored Egyptian Lotus in this colorway. And then she shared it. So we have a lot of people coloring these patterns, but not everybody shares what they've done. And if you share it, it will show up here on the pattern page as well as in the gallery. So she has shared it, so you can see that she came up with a completely different colorway for this pattern, which is always fun to see. So you can always get some inspiration there as well. But if you just want the pattern, you don't need to sign up. You can just add it to your cart as I have done. Let's now go back to the marketplace and go over to fabrics. And again, we can filter. We have different filters here that apply to the fabric. So you can search by collection, designer, or company, or what's on sale, or search for individual swatch here or collection name here. Let's go ahead and filter designers for Jackie Kunkel. Okay, so here's all the fabrics she has designed. So you can go ahead and find something that you like, and let's say you need a couple yards of that, and maybe let's look at this one and get a yard of that. And again, on the product page for fabric, you can see all the details and who is fulfilling this order. And when you're ready, click on the shopping cart at the top to begin the checkout process. Here you can see on your shopping cart page everything that you've added to your shopping cart. You can toggle over to Buy Shop to see who is sending you which items, and then you can click the down arrow and it will show you exactly what they are sending you. Okay, let's see that there. And at this point, this is where you would add any coupons. So the way that marketplace sales work is each shop has the opportunity to offer a promotion in the form of a coupon. So you would enter that coupon here, enter it as all capitals, all one word, and then click apply. And you can enter one coupon per shop per transaction. So if I had a coupon for each of these shops, I could enter one coupon for each shop. That's a total of 3 coupons on this particular order. And then once you click apply, it shows you that it has applied, and it shows you the discount up here. I don't have any coupons at the moment that are active, but if I did, this is where I would do it. Once those are applied, then I can proceed to checkout. And it's going to ask me if I want to continue as a guest or if I want to log in. Now, if I have a subscription to the Quilt Planner, you can log in here. But if I do not have a subscription to the Quilt Planner, but I have purchased in the marketplace previously and I made an account, I can log in here with that information. I'm going to go ahead and continue as a guest. The checkout page is the last step of your process. Here is where you will add your shipping information, and you can opt in to make an account. Or if you don't want to make an account, just uncheck that box. If you do choose to make an account, it will save your email address and password and all of your shipping and payment information to make it an easier and quicker shopping experience the next time you order through Quiltster.com. So go ahead and fill all of that out. When creating your password, it will tell you what is required, and it will let you know if you have met those requirements. So here you can see I have met 3 of the 5 requirements. And now I have met them all, which means it will save properly. I'm going to make an account. I have my shipping address here, and I'm going to click Save Address, which will do a few things. One, because I made an account, it will save my account information. And the second thing it will do is calculate shipping costs, which you can see when you toggle over to By Shop. You can see which shop and how much each shop is charging for shipping for those products. And at the bottom, you can see your subtotal, your taxes, your shipping, and the total price of your order. The last thing you need to do is enter your payment information and then place your order. That is how you shop the marketplace. Again, everything that is for sale in the marketplace is fulfilled by Quilt Shop partners across the country, and we believe in supporting these shops. So every time you shop with Quiltster.com, you are supporting these shops and our community as a whole. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.